Hi everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all good. Well, I had to just do a quick short video on this one because someone came in and saw me working on it and basically fell in love with it and wanted to buy it. So I didn't get to finish the series on it properly. So here's some photos of it, all finished and valeted up and ready to go out. As you can see, it's looking really good. Lovely looking car. Came out really well once everything was fixed. That drove really good, and everyone who saw it basically commented on it and said it was a nice, shiny, really great looking car. So that was pretty good. Can't complain when someone come in like that and just want to take it there and then. So here she is, all done and finished. As you can see on the interior, all the carpets and everything absolutely mint. No stains or nothing on the seats or nothing like that. Absolutely spotless. All the bodywork is absolutely as shiny as you could possibly get it. As you can see here, the engine bay looks like brand new. Everything is completely steam cleaned down and really cleaned up properly how it should be, as you can see in this picture. Tyres have been done, as you can see, and pretty much anything else that needed doing has been done. All in the boot has all been cleaned, wet back, etc. Roof lines and stuff have been done. Dash, door cards, seats, steering wheel, pretty much everything else. So as you can see, she came out really good, and that's going to be the end of this car. Thanks for watching this series, and I hope you're going to watch some of the others that I do as well.